Hey guys, welcome back to another 3G family video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about food allergies, in particular dairy allergy and gluten allergy. Our son Jaden has extreme allergy. He was born with allergies. He's allergic to almost everything. So throughout the past 7 years, we had to learn how to manage the allergies, how to find the right stuff for him to eat, how to create delicious meals, in particular desserts and snacks. So today we're going to take you to one of our favorite spots where they do gluten-free desserts and dairy-free desserts that taste just as delicious as the regular desserts. We're going to take you through the process. We're going to help you, like if you have a child or you yourself have like gluten allergy or gluten intolerance. We're going to tell you the difference between the gluten allergy, gluten intolerance. We're going to talk about dairy allergy and dairy intolerance. And we're going to show you creative ideas of how to navigate this process of dealing with these two allergies that are becoming more an everyday part of life, especially in North America. So we're going to take you through this process together. We're going to take you along to this hot spot that we found, like some of the best gluten-free or dairy-free baked goods, desserts that you could find in North America. So come along with us and we're going on this ride together. So see you in a minute.
So guys, I'm going to my favorite place, and since I was born, I was like allergic to a bunch of stuff, and if you don't know what that means, it's kind of like allergies, and if you like have something, then you're gonna throw up. So like I have this place where it's really has really good stuff for me, that like where I get my birthday cakes and all of that. So I'm really excited to try the cupcakes. Bye.
Okay guys, so we're almost there. We're on our way to Bunner's Bakery. You know, this place is a very cool place that my wife found roughly five years ago. You know, there one time we were struggling finding desserts and just good delicious snacks for Jaden, and my wife researched and found this place. And I must tell you, like in the 7 years, because you know Jaden is 7, and for I think for kids it's the most challenging, you know, because you're missing out on certain things with McDonald's and Burger King. You can't just stop and pick up any snacks. So finding a place like this was so amazing, and just to see the advance in technology, like over the past five to six years, the difference with the quality of the products, it's just amazing. Like for example, you know, like when we just started and we used to get like the cheese, you know, like the dairy-free cheese, like it tastes like plastic, and now the quality has gotten so much better. Same thing with the gluten-free products. When we just started getting gluten-free products, it tastes like sponge. But now, like, you can hardly tell the difference between like a regular cupcake or a regular muffin and a gluten-free muffin. So we're excited to share this place with you, and I'm sure wherever you are, any major city like New York, like Montreal, you can research, and I'm sure you'll find a place like this that caters to allergy. One thing you must know, like it's very expensive. Like the gluten-free, dairy-free lifestyle, it's, I would say, like 4 to 5 times more expensive than the regular products. So and you just have to do your research, but we're happy to share this with you, and we'll be there in a few minutes, and we'll see you there. Bye. Okay, so we are back home. That was a long drive. That was like an hour, almost an hour and a half. Yeah, so we had to go downtown Toronto to get these. So gluten-free cupcakes. Looking beautiful. So which one do you want to try?
I want to try the chocolate one.
You want to try a chocolate one? All right.
Come to Dada.
Yay.
Ready?
All right. Yeah. Go ahead. Let me cut it for you so you can bite into, because you can bite into it. Oh, rich chocolate. Let me try a piece. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, like if you've ever had gluten-free anything, you know that it doesn't taste anything like the original stuff, like with gluten in it. But the advancement in technology, what they're using to prepare these gluten-free stuff is like amazing, because this taste, you can't tell the difference. Like if I give this to you and sell it to you as like a regular muffin, like you think it's regular, it's not gluten-free. That's how good it is. Yeah, and Jane is going away at it. All right, so the next one, we got like a dairy-free, gluten-free cheesecake made from soy, had some cherries in it. Wow, this is impressive too, because I don't know how they got this one. Look at that. It's like a real 100% cheesecake. Vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free. Let me try it now. Yeah, wow. Wow. It's really good. Wow. Yeah, so as I said earlier, like gluten-free and dairy-free, like I think they're two of the most, when you have allergies, like nut allergies and seafood allergies is okay, but when it's like gluten allergy and dairy allergy, like pretty much 70% of what you can eat is like gone. You can't just go to McDonald's and just get a burger. You can't go to KFC and just get some fried chicken or whatever. So we always have to plan, for Jaden. So it's good that you can find places like this that have, as I said, like this cheesecake tastes like 100% cheesecake. You'll never be able to tell that this is dairy-free and gluten-free. So the downside is that for anyone with a gluten-free, dairy-free lifestyle, you know that it's extremely expensive and it's not as easily accessible. So for example, like tonight we had to go drive all the way downtown Toronto, and it's like a lot of traffic. So just to get to the bakery, it took us like 40 minutes to get there and about 35 minutes back. So it's just to pick up some cake. So it's not, more supermarkets now are doing better with having gluten-free stuff, but not at this level in terms of like cheesecake and the cupcakes and stuff like that. You can get cookies and all those good stuff, but to get this type of stuff, it's not as easily accessible. Like if you're in like major cities like New York, LA, Toronto, Montreal, those type of cities, you'll get it, but it's still a drive away. Yeah, so tell me what you think in the comment section. Like are you dealing with the same thing, like gluten-free, dairy-free allergy with your kids, and what do you do? And if you need ideas, you could always, leave a comment in the comment section, and we'll get back to you if you need ideas of like how to prepare a meal and like gluten-free, dairy-free snacks. And we're gonna leave the name of the bakery in the comment section, so you can go check them out if you're in Toronto. I think they have a location in Montreal also, so you can go check them out, and just leave a comment in the comment section and tell us what you think about this video. And Jaden, peace out. We're gone.
Peace.
All right.
If you excuse me, I have some things